Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I'm K.Z Kitchen says welcome to all of you in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna discuss or share some salads recipes with you. These are very simple, quick and easy to make. You can make these salads and serve with your breads. Those would be compatible with your dinners and breakfasts. For our first salad, I am cutting here my iceberg. If you don't have iceberg, so you can definitely use fresh cabbage here. I am cutting it very fine. When you have to serve these salads, just you have to cut your veggies at that time. Or you have cut your iceberg before time, so you can dip it in cool water. Okay, now its cutting is gonna complete. Let's start the adding ingredients. Here I have homemade cream cheese. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons heaped, and also I have sour cream, that is also gonna add 2 tablespoons heaped. Okay, now I am adding 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Here I am using National's classic mayonnaise. Half teaspoon white pepper, and also half teaspoon black peppers. I have added half teaspoon salt in it. If you have to serve immediately, so you can use. If you don't have to use immediately or serve later, so you can skip adding at this time. You can add it later. Now I'm gonna make a cucumber salad. For this I have taken 1 cucumber. I'm not gonna peel out the skin of this cucumber. I am gonna grate it with small hole grater. If you don't like the skin or peels of this cucumber, so you can remove it. Okay, like this we need. Now let's squeeze this grated cucumber because we don't want the water of this cucumber. Okay, I will squeeze all of this. Now add it in a separate bowl. Now here I have squeezed cucumber, so let's start seasoning. I am adding 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, also 1 or 2 tablespoons sour cream. Okay, and also I am adding cream cheese. It's also 1 tablespoon. Some salt or 1/4 teaspoon or 2 pinches. Some black pepper or half teaspoon. Let's mix it, and our cucumber's creamy salad is ready. We can serve these salads with our different breads, which we are learning nowadays in K.Z Kitchen. How can we serve our breads? That's why I am making these salads today. Okay, now let's start spring onion salad. For this, first I will cut its green parts and then I will cut its white parts. Let's start cutting. Okay. Definitely it's something to serve with our breads. If we are not taking meat, chicken or beef, so we can use veggies as a salad. Now we are cutting its white part also. I'm not gonna discard anything. Okay. Now it's cut. Let's start its seasoning. Little bit salt, some black pepper, some sour cream, and also some cream cheese, and then mayonnaise. Okay, let's mix it. I have prepared some or baked some breads, hot dog buns, or you can say different type of breads for this serving. So what I'm gonna do, I will stuff these salads inside these breads, and then I will top up with some cheddar or mozzarella cheese, and then again I will bake these breads. Now it's ready. Our three basic salads are ready. Furthermore, I had some potato kebabs, and this one is a fruit dip, which I served with my breads also. And these potato kebabs I stuffed in my challah bread and then I baked. I have shared a recipe of challah bread before this recipe. And there you go, friends. Here are breads, mashallah, looking very beautiful. Now I will cut these breads in center, and then I will fill my salads with some cheese and I will bake. These are so much soft and with a good color. Okay, let's see the serving of these breads. I made these breads a little bit in size for individual serving. Mashallah. There you go, friends. Mashallah. These are looking so delicious and beautiful. If you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. And inshallah ta'ala, I will meet with you with another delicious and gorgeous recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.